beautiful day at Vail. Couldn't ask for better conditions. It's not really cold, great snow. We don't know where we're going though.
Yeah, this place is huge. We've been getting lost. We even got split up. You know, if you make one run, turn on a run, it takes like an hour to find each other again. This place is so big. But we've been loving it. Nice bluebird day, about 25 degrees. You know, the base I think is like 50 inches, so the coverage pretty good. The snow's pretty good.
Gonna hit it. I can do that too.
Hey, ski past me. Public transportation. Feeling on the public transportation. What's up, Dylan?
Looks like you're about to ski off a cliff over there. She's about to do snowboat.
Yay!
She's not gonna like this.
Yeah, all sports are there.
Okay.
Brandon on top of the mountain. This is a green. There's Steve. And Danielle. Ben's the first one coming down. Tore his ACL and he is out here skiing double black, triple diamonds. He's coming in for his landing and whoosh. Oh yeah. Brandon's coming down the mountain like a grandpa. He's slowly cutting left and right. He's not cutting at all, actually.
I thought Ben was a ski controller.
There she is cutting. Woo, look at her go! Get it, girl!
Look, she's showing off a rooster tail.
Oh, yes, she is. He's hauling left, right. Working those butt muscles. Oh, yeah! The little Danielle missed her leggy up, unfortunately, so she's trucking her way along. How y'all doing?
The legendary back bowls on a snow day. Woo! It's gonna be fun.
Can't wait. Oh, you alright?
This is the greatest run ever. They reported 0 inches, but back here, it's at least 4. I'm out of breath because we're having so much fun. Woo!
Yeah. Look at that.
We just got done skiing today. It was an amazing day on the mountain. You know, we got the first chair on the gondola, so we had fresh tracks with a couple inches of snow on the ground. It was amazing. You know, it snowed all day, but man, we had a blast. We were tearing it up. Tomorrow we're gonna try to check out the back bowls in Blue Sky Basin.
What are we gonna do today?
Oh, we're going to Blue Sky today. We're gonna tear it up.
Woohoo!
It's super cold. It's like -2 right now, but
Don't tell them that. It's beautiful.
no, it is beautiful. That means everyone's gonna be scared and stay home. All right, we're about to tear out the Vail back bowls and just look at these beautiful views. Woohoo!
Woo! Go get it.
Woo. Heck yeah!
Beautiful run. Ooh, lay it down, Brando. There you go.
Alright, we're about to tear it up on a gladed run on the Vail back bowls. Woohoo! Check this out.
I don't know how I let him talk me into the trees, but I guess I'm as good once as I ever was.
We get a tree run.
Woo!
Yeah, we're tearing it up on the back bowls, but
yeah.
we're about to go try to find Blue Sky Basin. Well, we made it to Blue Sky Basin, and the views do not disappoint.
Oh my gosh.
Disappoint.
It's amazing up here. Okay, we're at Blue Sky Basin. Look at the views, it's gorgeous. Get it?
Ooh, look at my dad coming down a black diamond at Blue Sky Basin. Gonna be like Gilly's turning left, turning right. Woohoo! Whoa.
Looks like we got another snow day here in Vail. It's gonna be great. Not a great day for pictures or videos, but
no.
Fresh powder everywhere we go. And it's not that cold.
Nope, that feels pretty good.
Looking forward to it. Last day here.
Woo!
Gotcha.
All right, last day in Vail. We got a powder day. Let's hit it.
7 inches of powder.